good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Mrs. Hensley is here again to do our calendar. Are you ready? Because here we go. Today, well, who remembers the month? Oh, we better sing those months. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! You did it! Okay. What month is this month? Do you remember? It is, it starts with an S. Look here. September. September. Remember yesterday when I was saying that September is a long word? See how long that word is? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters in September. That's why we make it shorter by abbreviating it. Okay. Anyway, yesterday was September the 2nd. So what would that make today? September 1, 2, 3. You're right. September the 3rd, 2020. So we will put that here under the Thursday. September 3rd, 2020. Okay, let's sing our days of the week so we can try to remember what today is. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, Mrs. Hensley just put this 3 under the Thursday. Do you think today might be Thursday? You're right. It's Thursday. You're so smart. Kiss your brain. Oh, I kissed my brain. Okay, so today is Thursday. Let me show you what Thursday looks like. Just like that. Here we go. Today is Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What comes after Thursday? You're right. Friday. 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 Right here it is. It starts with an F. Friday. Okay. So tomorrow will be Friday. Good job. Okay. We know that today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday. We need to know what day of the week comes before Thursday. That was yesterday, before Thursday. So here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, who remembers? Who remembers what I said here? Let's try that again. Day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday, so this day of the week was what? You got it! Wednesday. Let me show you what Wednesday looks like. Wednesday, right there, starts with a W. Okay, so yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, we need to add a straw. Oops, Mrs. Hensley dropped it. A straw for the numbers of days we've been in school. So today is another day that we have been in school. So we need to add a straw to our ones pocket chart. And let's see how many we have. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have been in school 6 days. Okay, so we also need to add a tally, and Mrs. Hensley is going to put 2 finger spaces to make another start of a new set of 5 tallies. So here we go. I'm going to put 2 finger spaces, and then I'm going to put a 1. take a 1 for another day in school. So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have been in school 6 days. So Mrs. Hensley needs to write the number 6 on our how many days we've been in school chart. Okay? So now we need to write the date. And oh, guess what I remembered? I remembered a blue marker because Mrs. Hensley tried to write with that blue marker the other day and I couldn't, could I? Okay, we're going to write the date. Who remembers what number September is? There's 12 months. Let's count. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September, 9. So we are going to write 9-3 because it's the 3rd of September -20 for 2020. Okay? Then Mrs. Hensley's going to write the abbreviated version of September, which is uppercase S, E, P, T, period. 2 finger spaces, the 3rd, comma, 2020. Now I'm going to write that long September. Uppercase S, S, E, P, T, E, M, B, E, R. September, 2 finger spaces, 3rd, comma, 2020. Okay. So, today is September 3rd, 2020. You are probably wanting to know what we are going to do today. And I am so excited about today. You just listen up. Okay, we're going to read Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Oh, missing cupcakes? Oh, Mrs. Hensley may have eaten those. That might be where those cupcakes are. I don't know. We'll have to read the story to find out. And after I read Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes, you are going to decorate a birthday cupcake. And I will show you how to do that in just a moment. Then, after that, we will be reading Happy Birthday Moon. You'll be listening to Happy Birthday Moon and have a story sequencing what comes first, what comes next, what comes last in the story. Then you will be creating a birthday present with shapes on Seesaw. That will be a lot of fun. And at the very last activity that you will do for the day will be coloring the front page of your September journal. But don't get that started yet. Mrs. Hensley wants to show you exactly how I want it, okay? Okay, so let Mrs. Hensley go over and start showing you how you're going to do your birthday cupcake. Hold on, oh, Mrs. Hensley, no. We've got to read Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes first. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Hensley. I just got carried away. I was ready to teach, kind of like I do when my friends are here. That's the problem. I'm not used to this morning message. Stop. Read a book. Stop. Activity. Stop. Oh my gosh. I'm used to just doing it and it flowing and flowing and flowing throughout the day. So, this is our morning message. I almost forgot. Your question of the day is, you ready for this? What month were you born? Were you January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December? Okay, I was born in February. So I would send Mrs. Hensley a voice message that said, Mrs. Hensley, I was born in the month of February. Or I may send a video. Mrs. Hensley, I was born in the month of February. That's how I would do that. You hit the add response button. You video yourself telling me what month you were born in. Or You can use the microphone to record your voice and tell me that way. And then don't forget to hit that check mark. That check mark is what turns your word in, so I get to see it and make a comment to you. You guys have a fabulous Thursday, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.